Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAKD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another choppy day here, and not a whole lot of new things to talk about per se, other than the fact of just got more reiteration that this purple line here, which I've talked about in the past, that 50-period moving average, is definitely a very stubborn and a very key level of resistance. You can see not once, not twice, but 3 times the price got right up around that general area and just can never build any sort of worthwhile momentum. In fact, every time the price gets up around that area, it's like somebody flips the switch and the momentum just disappears. So that remains public enemy number one by far. As far as, if there's going to be any sort of bigger movement to the upside, then yeah, it's all about whether or not the price, can push up through that level. And right now, that the value of that 50-period moving average right there at the $1.11 mark. In terms of levels of support, main level to watch now moving forward continues to be right down there around the $1.02 mark. If you want to just call it $1, that works also. But that's an area where going through the history of things, you can see that did a good job of holding support, and then once again support and support. So a lot of a big track record of buyers around that area, which makes sense. I mean, it's down there right around that big round number of $1, which is always a psychological one anyways. So that's really as simple as that. It's been very choppy over the past couple of days. And, another way to just summarize all that would be a sideways channel pattern. Again, the top of the channel pattern being $1.11, that 50-period moving average. Bottom of the channel, that $1.02 mark. And it's really just now a question of who's going to ultimately win out. Are the bulls going to win out by pushing to the upside, or the bears going to win out by pushing to the downside? All that remains to be seen, but we'll see how this one continues to play out on the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.